Okay, welcome back. Just wanted to show you this little setup that I've got here. Doing a little bit of dirty mixing. Got this film, Sakura Killers playing. It's a pretty good film. Some good ninja style stuff in it. I'll turn this down a bit. Acting's pretty wooden and pretty bad, but it's enjoyable. Lots of ninja. I want to be ninja. If you've seen that video, the most racist video besides the guy turning into toothpaste. On this channel, I'll just show you. I've just got Fire TV stick, and it's just got screensaver on at the moment. So by pressing these two in at the same time, I can get two inputs playing. You can hear the kung fu or the ninja stuff coming through. And my idea is to put maybe a potentiometer on here, so I can sort of flick between two channels or maybe three channels. I've only got a pot for two. So I've got SCARTs going in there, and I've got the two SCARTs going in here. One is from this 3 connector, and one is from DVD player on the floor, which is playing.
Why don't you like me? Because you're a complaint bastard. Vivian, I'm being serious. Sama, you're a complete bastard and we all hate you. I find that rather difficult to believe.
So yeah, by jamming these two switches at the same time, I'll do it one-handed. Right. It's trickier, but I've done it. So I've got the two inputs there, so I've got the two from here and the one from here. So we've got Neil from the Young Ones, Kung Fu, and the screensaver from the Fire TV stick. As you can see, the signal gets a bit messy. I want to experiment with these mixers and maybe do some circuit bending and mess up the picture even more. I've got different connectors, you know, SCART to video, and I've got a couple of other mixers that I might run in series with this one. Use this one as my sort of like my output one, because I can go to a black screen and fade it in with these faders. I can also fade out the audio, and then I've got these pots here which oversaturate the colour a little bit. This is noise reduction, but it actually kind of adds noise depending on the setting of these two pots, the contrast and the sharpness. So yeah, I'm going to experiment with it and probably cause some seizures to people. So you've got the 3 different signals there competing, and the audio as well competing to give you this dirty signal at the end. So I'll be back soon with some more experiments and see how we go. And then I've been watching some videos. I might do some circuit bending on some of the other units, some of the cheaper units. This one wasn't that expensive. The other units are probably better, but I do like this company and this one. They're better video editing audio mixers, and there's some to come. I might circuit bend this one in the future when I'm a bit more confident, but this is 240 volts. I might experiment on the lower voltage, the 12 volt DC or the 9 volt DC. See how I get on with those, see if I can get any schematics for this one to avoid blowing up the chips. I've been watching some videos from a few different YouTube channels. I'll put the links below. You can watch some of those videos if you're interested in circuit bending, video glitch art. But yeah, this is just a little demonstration how you can do it without any experience of circuit bending or anything. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.